Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to find the fuse for the transmission on BMW guys 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. So if you have a BMW like that guys, okay, let me show you that model. We're going to show you how to find the transmission fuse today. So transmission fuse. Now some models have 2 fuses actually, not just 1, 2. Some have just 1. So we will explain which one to check, how to check, and all that stuff. Now let me go ahead quick, okay, and to install that cover so I can show you how you can reach the fuses and all that stuff, because I already removed it so I can check it out. Now you need to empty your glove box. Everything needs to come out. And let me just introduce you guys quick that we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe, many more videos will come. Open your glove box. Okay, right here you have 2 turning things. Okay, you can see one here, turn it 90 degrees, one on the other side over there, turn it again. Once you turn it, that fuse cover will come out. Now we have a special clip for removing the fuses, okay, this one right here. So we're going to pull the clip out. Okay, you just slide it out. Okay, one side is for the big fuses, one is for the little one. So we'll be using the side for the little fuses, okay, this one here. Now we could have 2 fuses for the transmission module, and it could be, okay, either one of them. Some cars will have 1, some will have 2. So number 1, okay, this is the one that's missing, okay, right there under my nail. That's fuse number 1. It's supposed to be 15 fuse. This car is not equipped with it. The next fuse that you could check is number 6, okay, that blue fuse, okay, right there. So when you start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's 15 fuse as well. So let me go ahead, pull it out, okay, to see how I'm going to get to it. Okay, just grab it with the puller, with the fuse puller, okay guys, and this is your fuse. Now I'll replace it with a new one. Okay, you can see now it's a hole there. That's fuse number 6, so you could have either 1 or 6, and all you have to do after that, just go ahead and install it. Okay, it's very important to make sure that you push it all the way in, because otherwise it might not work. So again, transmission module guys, it's fuse number 1 or number 6 or both. So check both if you have problems with the transmission module. So thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.